Hi, my name is Brooke with Snowdrop Digital Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how you can enhance your online presence. Um, Now, these three things I'm going to tell you about are going to optimize your website for Google. It will enhance your platform and convert more customers, and it will bring more traffic to your website. So the three things that we're going to talk about today are content, citations, and backlinks. Content is everything that you see on the page. It's the words, the images, what the image is saved as, and even the space behind the image. Google prefers that you have at least 1,500 words on your page, um, and they want your keywords to be sprinkled throughout those words. 24/7, Google has these web crawling bots, and they crawl every single website on the internet. And they gather information and they use that information to determine where to rank you on the search engine result page. So 95% of the time, customers are going to Google roofing in Charlotte, North Carolina whenever they need services. The first thing that pops up are the Google guaranteed ads, which you're already in here, which is great, but a lot of people have ad blockers on, and you are missing out on quite a few prospects whenever you're just running Google ads. The next thing is the GMB or the Google My Business page. This is where citations come into play. A citation is a direct reference for your company's name, phone number, and address. You can get these on Yelp, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, Facebook. All of those give citations. The more citations you have, the better. And you don't want to stop at how many Southern Star Roofing has. You want to beat them by at least 50 or even 100 to really dominate them in the GMB. So 30% of your business should be coming from the GMB, and the remaining 70% should be coming from your organic listing or your website. I have a web crawling site called Ahrefs, which I can use to see what's going on under the hood of the website, we should say. So you have 185 keywords. And there's only one person on your website each month. So now we're going to talk about backlinks. A backlink is like a popularity contest on Google. It is where a website references your website for services. Not all backlinks are created equal. You want them to have high power and you want them to be relevant to your services that you provide. Okay. So here is Guy Roofing. They are number one in the organic GMB. They are also based in Charlotte. Sorry. They have 146 keywords and they are getting almost over 1,000 people on their website each month. Why is that important? It's important because 30% of those people are converted into real sales. Um, they do not have a lot of backlinks on this page because it is a back page on their location. So their homepage has so much power, they've had to put in minimal effort to get their back page ranked in Charlotte. Um, Number two spot in the organic listing is Baker Roofing. This is also a back page. They have 155 keywords and they're getting 944 people on their website each month. They have a very high power rating and a low trust rating. And they have quite a few backlinks. It looks like a lot of those are very high quality as well. Um, so you are looking for, in backlinks, you want quality over quantity. You do not want a whole bunch of backlinks if they do not bring you much quality. And the third spot is Charlotte Roofing. They have a low power and a high trust rating, so that tells me they are just getting whatever backlink they can get. They have 228 keywords and 998 people on their website each month. So even if they're not getting the best backlinks, at least they have that content. So the point of the backlinks is bringing attention to your website and getting more eyes on the website and giving you more authority to Google. I looked at your keywords and you have all the right information there, but you don't have any power to your website. So Google sees that information, but they're going to give the top spots to your competitors because they have the backlinks that you don't have. If you have decided that I have a lot of information that can help you scale your business even more. I see you are number one in the Google guaranteed, so you're probably spending a lot of money on that short-term investment just to get a handful of customers. With SEO, you can spend the same amount, it will have lasting benefits, and you will keep getting new customers even if you run out of money. Um, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you and have a great day.